At this time in our service, I will demonstrate how to give electronically at UUAC. If you follow the URL that was in this week's church email, or navigate to onrealm.org/UUAC/dash/give/online, you'll be presented with this realm page. Here, you can use the drop-down menu to choose your special collection and make a contribution. You can also add another fund and either give a general donation or make a contribution to your annual pledge. During our regular Sunday services at UUAC, any cash put into the plate electronically is shared between the partner organization and UUAC in a 50-50 split. To do the same thing with an online gift, click on this Another Fund button to add a new row, then use the drop-down menu to select both options. You can choose the date, or you can set this up as a recurring gift, say every week or every month. If you choose this Give Multiple Times, this will be designated for the partner organization that is selected by our ministers, our congregants, and our Service and Justice Committee. It will ask me to enter my email address to move forward, and I can continue as a guest if I do not have a Realm account, or enter my Realm credentials and sign in. I'm then offered an opportunity to cover the processing costs for UUAC, and you can see here my credit card is saved from a previous contribution. The Finance Committee is here to help if you need assistance navigating this process. Thank you.